Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDC from your Gemini exchange to your Tangem wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, managing your assets securely is more important than ever. Whether you're looking to move funds for trading, staking, or just for peace of mind, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Gemini account set up and verified. If you haven't already, download and set up your Tangem Wallet app on your mobile device. It's user-friendly and offers top-notch security features. Once you're ready, log into your Gemini account using your credentials. You'll land on the dashboard, where you can see your balances. Next, navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section, usually found in the Wallet or Accounts tab. Here, select USDC as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Now, this is crucial. Copy your Tangem wallet address. Open your Tangem app, go to the Receive section, and generate or copy the USDC address. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Gemini. You'll need to enter the amount of USDC you want to withdraw, making sure it's below your available balance. Gemini might ask for additional verification, like two-factor authentication, so have that ready. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation screen. Review it one last time before proceeding. After you submit, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. In 2025, with improved network speeds, this could take just a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Tangem wallet for the funds to appear. And remember, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets like Tangem for storing your assets long-term. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn USDC from Gemini to your Tangem wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy investing. See you in the next video.